this. The U.S. Supreme Court has overturned a decades-old college program that considered race when deciding which students to admit.
In the 6-3 ruling, the judges ruled the affirmative action program violated the Constitution's guarantee of equal protection. KTLA's Sandra Mitchell joins us in studio with reaction to the decision. Sandy.
Yeah, the Supreme Court ruling that affirmative action is unconstitutional for colleges. As you can imagine, this is expected to have a really big impact on university admissions all across the U.S.
Many people wrongly believe that affirmative action allows unqualified students to be admitted.
A disappointed President Biden telling the nation he strongly disagrees with the Supreme Court ruling that will prohibit schools from considering race when admitting students.
Colleges set out standards for admission, and every student has to meet those standards. Then and only then, after first meeting the qualifications required by the school, do colleges look at other factors.
The landmark ruling overturns a precedent that benefited some minority students. California already banned affirmative action in public schools in 1996, but today's ruling will affect private colleges and universities in the state and across the U.S.
In California, I think it's going to cause a dramatic decrease in the number of Latinos and African Americans represented at elite institutions like USC, Stanford, places like that. At Berkeley and UCLA, things will largely be the same.
A conservative group, Students for Fair Admissions, led the challenges to the affirmative action law and celebrated today's ruling.
Marks the beginning of the restoration of the colorblind legal covenant that binds together our multiracial, multi-ethnic nation.
California Representative Michelle Steele says Asian students especially face discrimination in the admissions practice and often were urged to obscure their ethnic background on their applications.
Don't show your pictures, and second, don't talk about your culture, and then don't answer anything about ethnic background. That's not really fair.
President Biden says he does not want this to be a permanent setback, and he will develop a plan to encourage colleges to continue working to build diverse student admissions. Also, before the High Court adjourns for their summer recess tomorrow, we are expecting another big ruling. The court expected to issue its decision on student loan forgiveness. Of course, a lot of borrowers waiting to hear about that decision. Courtney, back to you.
Indeed. Sandy, thank you so much.